Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming you have the parent Google account and the child account available. This matters because permissions flow from parent to child. Once both accounts exist, open Google Family Link for parents and install the child app on the kid's device. Make sure location, Bluetooth, and stable Wi-Fi are enabled. They speed up device discovery and initial policy sync. Now sign in as the parent, choose Add a Child, and follow the on-screen prompts to link the child account and start the guided pairing process. Once the devices are paired, you'll configure controls and permissions so policies apply correctly. First, set screen time rules, daily limits, and a bedtime schedule. These enforce automatic locks and help build routine. Next, review required permissions on the child device, location, device admin, and accessibility, because Family Link needs them to enforce locks and report activity. Finally, enable Play Store filters and require approval for purchases. This prevents unexpected downloads and lets you manage apps. To finish, verify the child's device appears in your Family Link app and that activity reports sync within a few minutes. Test remote actions, lock device, approve an app, and view location, so you confirm policies work in practice. If something fails, update Google Play services and both Family Link apps, check battery optimization or DOS settings that may block background sync, and reauthorize any missing permissions. Often re-signing into the child account fixes persistent issues. After troubleshooting, monitor the first 24 hours for stable behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.